Yeah.
Oh. Hang on. Here's another puppy. I'm going to bite. Checking him out? I'm checking him out. They're so fuzzy, their puppy coats. Crack me up. It's gonna bite your ear.
You should see Diane's puppies. They got twice as much hair.
Do they really?
Yeah, they're like plush toys.
Get him, Marty, get him. Get him, Marty, get him. She's just, oh. I just whacked him with her butt.
Oh, this is really good for him.
Look at her. Look at her face. She's just like, wow, he's cool. Boot him with her butt. You boot him with your butt. Oh, are you going to get her tail? Get her tail. Get her tail. Oh. Oh, you guys are funny. Did you get him? Bless you. Here comes that clown.
You can see it'd be hopeless to try to take still pictures.
Yeah. Seriously. Oh.
He likes to jump on things.
That didn't faze him much. Oh, she said, just stood up. Sent him sailing. Oh. Oh. Okay, I got her. Oh. It's okay, I got her. Oh. Hi. What do you think? He says, oh, smack, smack, smack. Oh. You think, Marley? Oh, goodness, I get a tail. Oh. Where did he go? He's not having a grand time. He's having a grand time. Oh, bonk. Oh.
He likes to launch
You're
himself.
funny. He's kind of funny. Just look at her. Like, oh, where did he go? What do you think? He's like, I don't know.